The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra packs 18,000 pascal suction and a clever FlexiArm mop. But does it justify its €1,399 price tag? Here's what you get. All-in-one dock. Experience automatic emptying alongside hot water mop washing and drying capabilities. Get immaculately clean floors and mops with intelligent dirt detection that re-washes mops until clean and re-mops dirty areas for extra cleanliness. The robot vacuum and mop has self-refilling, detergent dispensing, fast charging, and off-peak charging features, providing a worry-free cleaning experience like never before. The robot vacuum also offers self-cleaning for minimum maintenance, unmatched vacuuming performance. 10,000 PA suction power enables your robot vacuum to reach deeper into carpets and hard floors, effectively capturing dust and debris. The dual roller design reduces hair tangles, and with concealed scrapers to remove hair, enjoy a seamless cleaning experience. And corner-to-edge cleaning. FlexiArm design side brush extends effortlessly to reach tight spots, sweeping away debris with ease. The robot vacuum and mop with liftable extra edge mop reaches closer to the edges, eliminating hidden dirt, achieving margins of less than 1.68 millimeters along the edge, with a rotating speed of 185 revolutions per minute. With 18,000 pascals of suction, the S8 MaxV Ultra is the most powerful robot vacuum we've tested. It effortlessly lifts embedded dirt from carpets and handles large debris without choking. In our tests, it picked up 99% of sand and pet hair in a single pass, outperforming the Dream L20 Ultra by a noticeable margin. The FlexiArm side mop extends to reach edges and corners where traditional mops miss. It pivots automatically to clean along baseboards and under low furniture, leaving no streaks. This is a genuine innovation that makes a real difference in daily cleaning, especially in kitchens and bathrooms. Roborock's reactive AI 2.0 obstacle recognition is impressively accurate. It identified cables, shoes, and pet waste in our tests and avoided them without getting tangled. While it's not perfect with very low-lying cords, it significantly reduces the need to pre-clean the floor before the robot runs. The self-washing and self-emptying dock is one of the most comprehensive on the market. It washes the mop with hot water, dries it, and empties the dustbin for up to 7 weeks. The drying function is effective, leaving the mop pad smelling fresh rather than musty, a common issue with earlier models. Dual rubber brushes are excellent for pet owners. They are less prone to hair tangling than bristle brushes and work well on both hard floors and carpets. After a week of heavy shedding, we found only minimal hair wrapped around the brush ends, which were easy to remove. At €1,399, the S8 MaxV Ultra is the most expensive robot vacuum we've reviewed. The Dream L20 Ultra offers similar features for about €200 less, and while the Roborock edges ahead in suction, the price difference is hard to ignore for most buyers. The dock is massive. It requires a dedicated space about 60 centimeters wide and 50 centimeters deep, and you'll need to refill the clean water tank and empty the dirty water tank every few days. The dock also raises the robot's height, making it harder to fit under very low furniture. The Roborock app, while powerful, has a steep learning curve. Setting up advanced routines, no-go zones, and multi-floor mapping takes time and patience. Some options are buried deep in menus, and first-time users may find it overwhelming compared to the simpler apps from iRobot or Ecovacs. The FlexiArm mop works well on hard floors, but struggles on thick carpets. When transitioning from tile to carpet, the mop sometimes leaves a damp patch before retracting. Also, the mop arm's pivot mechanism can collect hair and debris over time, requiring occasional cleaning. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is a top-tier robot vacuum with unmatched suction and innovative edge mopping, but its steep price and bulky dock make it a niche choice for premium buyers. If you have the budget and want the best, it's hard to beat. Check the link in the description for the best price on the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra.